Hi, it's Joe from STL Beds. Today we'll be installing the F71001 twin full hook rail set. You should have a twin or a full size headboard and footboard that hook in. Please make sure that you print this hook in template off located on the website. If you cut that out, put it on some thin cardboard and hook that in down here into the headboard. That will ensure that my down hooks will indeed fit your hook and slot, because they can be different. Your frame will be left in a box at your doorstep. Let's just go over parts assembly to make sure you have everything. You'll have your two side rails that will hook into your headboard and footboard with the swing arms. You'll have an instruction sheet. You'll have 4 legs, 4 wing nuts, and 4 plastic inserts which will be attached to the foot. And then you'll have 2 C-clamps. Our first step is to take our foot and attach it into the steel frame. We'll attach that plastic socket, go ahead and push that in until it's tight, and then what I normally do is tighten these feet all the way up. Complete this for all 4. Our first step is to take our frame and hook it into the headboard and footboard. And we're going to want to repeat that for all 4 steps. So our next step is to sling the swing arms open. Once the swing arms are open, we'll take our C-clamp, slide that on like this, push these together and hold it, bring it over, and then go ahead and just tighten that set screw. Be careful not to over tighten, because that will strip the set screw, so just go ahead until it's a tight snug. So your last step is you want to go ahead and tighten the adjustable glide down. If you're on carpet, just make sure you do it snugly. You do not need to over tighten that into the carpet, because what that could do is possibly, with the weight of the person and the bed, that can actually lift the hooks out of the headboard and footboard. So just do it till it's snug. And then go ahead and tighten up this wing nut. And that's it. Repeat for all 4. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the F71001. If you have any questions, please give me a call. My toll-free number, 888-785-2337. We at STL Beds thank you for your business, and feel free to reach out with us with any questions.